It is ready to hold hearing on some of those suggestions in order to make the appointment process transparent.
A 5-judge bench of the Supreme Court on Tuesday heard suggestions about how to improve the collegium system. This is after the October 16 judgment that scrapped the National Judicial Appointments Commission Act and the 99th Amendment on the premise that it went against the basic structure of the Constitution. Since then, many legal luminaries have debated the subject from the points of view of basic structure, transparency, sovereignty of Parliament, separation of powers, tyranny of the unelected, and so on. Government told the Apex Court, collegium should not act without recording reasons why a particular person is appointed a judge. The prescribed criteria for appointment should be in the public domain. There should be a minimum eligibility criteria for appointment in addition to nominations made by Chief Justice of High Court. Applications should be invited for appointment of High Court judges. Names of people being considered should be made public. Collegium must consult the bar before making appointments.
3-4 मुद्दों के ऊपर अपने सुझाव पेश किए हैं। ट्रांसपेरेंसी के ऊपर, सेक्रेटेरिएट के ऊपर, एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया के ऊपर, कैसे लोगों को जानकारी होनी चाहिए, ये सब सजेशन के तौर पर दिए गए हैं।
The Supreme Court, however, told the government that there cannot be a wholesale change in the collegium system. The lawyers' group that successfully challenged the National Judicial Appointments Commission legislation also made several suggestions. The collegium should have a consultative body comprising lawyers, jurists, judges, and bar associations to assist in the selection process. There should be a similar body in all high courts. Guidelines on consultation, minimum criteria, acceptance of nominations, and mechanism of shortlisting should be in the public domain. A panel of suitable candidates be drawn up irrespective of vacancies, renewed every 2 years to include new names. The collegium currently comprises Chief Justice of India and 4 senior-most judges in the Apex Court. Government had unsuccessfully raised the objection during the NJAC debate of 5 judges grappling with the issue when 9 judges had given birth to the collegium system. After hearing the matter for 2 hours, the 5-judge Constitution Bench headed by Justice J.S. Keir asked the parties to file written submissions on transparency, eligibility, establishment of secretariat, and evolving a mechanism for complaints redressal by the collegium. The bench, also comprising Justices Chalameshwar, M.B. Lokur, Kurian Joseph, and A.K. Goel, posted the matter for further hearing on November 5. With Vikas Sarthi, Newsnight Desk, DD News.